Hello and welcome to SGN Tech Forum. Today we are going to talk about Amazon's new initiative called Amazon Sidewalk. We'll try to understand what is Amazon Sidewalk, what kind of problem it is trying to solve, and then we will go into the underlying technology. I'm going to make this talk a little bit high level, that means not purely marketing, but we will touch base upon some technology, but we won't be taking a deep dive. If you are interested in technologies like LoRa, which powered Sidewalk, we have a bootcamp on our website. You can go ahead and watch LoRa bootcamp. Very much recommend that. All right, so let's come back to our agenda. What is Amazon Sidewalk? Amazon Sidewalk is secure, free to connect community network. So it's a community network. It's free to connect that uses participating Amazon Sidewalk bridges. And what are those Sidewalk bridges? If you are Amazon Echo, Ring, or any kind of Amazon device owner, pretty much most of the devices, they are now Sidewalk enabled. To provide cloud connectivity for IoT devices, Amazon Sidewalk's highly encrypted technology leverages a small portion of internet bandwidth from millions of these Sidewalk bridges to provide widespread wireless connectivity to the community. So this is building on top of their asset. Amazon has been selling devices for long, say Echo, Fire Stick, and Dot, whatnot, right? Even they have acquired Ring. So all those devices sitting at your home, they are now sidewalk bridges, and that way we can build a community to enable IoT connectivity. All right, so this was the formal definition. Let's go to Amazon site and try to understand it a little bit more. So welcome to Amazon Sidewalk. As you can see, this is amazon.com/Amazon Sidewalk. That's the website. The benefit of Amazon Sidewalk, as you can see, there are four use cases highlighted. First is stay connected. That means if your Sidewalk bridges device loses its Wi-Fi, that means your Echo or Alexa at home losing Wi-Fi, Sidewalk can help you connect to another Sidewalk network. Obviously, you won't be able to share Wi-Fi from your neighbor, but you still have some type of connectivity. Find lost item. That's the most uh, appealing or most powerful use case. That means the small tracker devices like tiles, they'll be connected throughout this community and give you a wider range. So if you are putting a collar on your pet, even if it goes from from your backyard to a mile, and if you have good sidewalk community, you will be able to track. Designed to protect your privacy, obviously, since this is a community network. So privacy encryptions, these are like a very key thing. So Amazon is promising that they are using the highest standard for privacy and security. And also it is all on your terms. That means if you don't need to be part of Amazon Sidewalk because for any X, Y, and Z reason you don't trust the network, you have ability to opt out. So what is the uh, strange thing about this? Like Amazon never asks you to opt in or join the community network. That has been pushed automatically behind the scene. But now, after this talk, if you are enabled or you are empowered to take a decision whether you want to be part of community or no. And if you decide otherwise, I'll show you how to go ahead and disable or opt out from Sidewalk. All right. Let's see some frequently asked questions. And I'm not going to read through all the questions one by one, but I'm going to highlight some of it in terms of technical perspective. So what is Amazon Sidewalk? By now you know that there will be a IoT asset today, tile tracker, tomorrow, many more approved from Amazon, and they'll be connecting to Sidewalk bridges, which are Amazon devices selling today, say Echo, Alexa, Dot, Fire, whatnot. And in turn, these IoT devices via Sidewalk bridges, they can be able to send signal or data to Sidewalk servers, which is sitting on AWS cloud. Why should I participate? inside Amazon Sidewalk because it's a community network. The more the community grows, the more beneficial it becomes. Amazon doesn't charge any fees to join Sidewalk because it is enabled by default. What are the Sidewalk bridges? Again, I have mentioned this a couple of times here. Ring video doorbell, ring floodlight, Echo Dot for kids, clock, Echo Plus, pretty much every hardware Amazon is selling today. Maybe tomorrow your Roomba once the acquisition completes. Where I can change my Amazon Sidewalk preferences. So you can go to your Amazon account setting and from there manage your content and devices preference, and then you can disable it. And I'll show you in real time. How will impact my personal bandwidth and data users. So this is important. Once you become part of your network, your sidewalk bridges, maybe say Alexa or Echo, the maximum bandwidth of that is 80 kbps. And to understand it better, it is about 1/40th of the bandwidth used by high definition video. So it's pretty small. Today, when you share your bridge connection with Sidewalk, total monthly data used by Sidewalk per account is capped at 500 MB. So your Sidewalk bridges won't be serving more than 500 MB per month for Sidewalk network, right? So many of us, we don't have like an unlimited band in internet connection. So this thing is, you need to be mindful, though 500 MB seems trivial at this time. If I disable Sidewalk, will my Sidewalk bridges still work? Of course, it was working before. So even if you go back and disable Sidewalk, your bridges, that is Echo and others, they'll continue working as expected. What happens if there are not a lot of bridges? Obviously, that means your community is not growing. You don't have many Alexa owners nearby, so network is not that useful. Okay. How does Amazon Sidewalk protect customer information? Amazon is using multiple layer of privacy and security. That means highest level of encryption uh, uh, and other things. And there is a white paper published by Amazon. If you are interested, please go ahead and read through this. This is not a very lengthy document, but a lot of good detail. I'm going to put the link in the description. So if you're eager, go ahead and download. What is Sidewalk enabled devices? We actually touch base on that, so that's not a problem. Is Amazon Sidewalk a replacement for home Wi-Fi network? No, because Sidewalk bridges require Wi-Fi for normal operation. So via your bridges, you are enabling Sidewalk community, but it's not a replacement for your home Wi-Fi. This is interesting. So how does Sidewalk help finding tile tracker? Today, only approved device, IoT device is tile tracker. Tomorrow is going to be more, but tile uses Bluetooth technology to lost item. With Sidewalk bridges, your bridges is able to extend tile network coverage even further to help locate your misplaced key, wallet, and other item. Alexa securely obtain the last known location of the item either from tile device or from nearwalk sidewalk bridges. So if your tile, which is today using Bluetooth and has limited range, tomorrow with sidewalk bridge, it can connect to a sidewalk bridge and expand its reach in miles, tens and hundreds of miles. When a tile is near a sidewalk bridge associated with your Alexa account, Alexa will tell the name of that bridge, making tile easier to find even if you don't have your mobile phone nearby. So you're not tied to your just a phone, but the bridge will become another overlay network. Okay, and what does Amazon charge to use this network? Amazon doesn't charge any fees to join the network. So as soon as you buy some kind of sidewalk bridges, you become part of the network because you are donating or contributing your data, right? And then sidewalk developer services. Uh, so so this is for developers. If you are a developer, you can purchase some development boards and see the integration from Sidewalk to AWS IoT. And we will touch base on that in upcoming video. Okay, Sidewalk is currently only available in US. That's point to note. These are some Sidewalk bridges. All right, now as I promise you, I'll show you how to find Sidewalk bridges, what you own, and how to disable or enable them. So for that, what I'm going to do, I'm going to log into my account, and here you can see I have one Echo device, Amazon Echo device, uh, associated in my account. And from there, if I go to, this is under manage your content and devices. From there, if you go to preferences, you have all sort of preferences. And from there, I can come to Amazon Sidewalk, and there is some disclaimer here. This setting will apply to all your supported Echo and Ring devices, and you can come here and disable. I'm happy to be part of this network, so I'll leave it enabled. All right, so this is all about Amazon Sidewalk, some high level talk, help you understand what your Alexa and Fire tablets are doing and how this community um, is building is happening behind the scene. All right, next, what I'll do, I'll show you unboxing of developer kit, what I received from Amazon, because they are handing out developer kits, which are small ring devices, to tester who can help them validate how the this network map looks like. So next I'm going to show you unboxing of that. Then we will set up our developer account, and from there on I'll show you how the coverage map looks like, what kind of data we are sending to Amazon Sidewalk server. So if you're interested, stay tuned for part 2. Thank you.